Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu Alaikum, dear student. Today we will solve new syllabus mathematics D2 chapter number 2 expansion and factorization of quadratic expressions. Now in exercise 2b advanced level question number 5. Today we will solve advanced level question number 5. In question number 5, factorize each of the following expression completely. Now, given that in first part 4 upon 9 p square plus p plus 1. Here given term in fraction form, so we can take 1 upon 9 common in whole term. Here we have 1 upon 9 into 4p square plus 9 is multiplied by p, so 9p, and also 9 is multiplied by 1 is equal to minus 9. So we have 1 upon 9 into 4p square plus 9p minus 9. Now we can midterm breaking of 9 into 2 factors. Here 4 multiplied by minus 9 is equal to minus 36. 4 multiplied by minus 9 is equal to minus 36. Now the midterm breaking of 12 into two parts, 12 and 3. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. So 12 minus 3 is equal to 9 and 12 minus 3 is equal to minus 36. So we can midterm breaking of 9 into two parts, 12p minus 3p. So we have 1 upon 9 into 4p square plus 12p minus 3p minus 9. Now taking the common in first two terms, both are divisible by 4, so 4p is common, remaining term p plus 3, and other two term is divisible by 3, so minus 3 is common into p plus 3 is equal to 1 upon 9 into p plus 3, and p plus 3 is common in both terms. So we have p plus 3 into 4p minus 3. So the final answer is 1 upon 9 into p plus 3 into 4p minus 3. In next part, B part, 0.6 r minus 0.8 q r minus 12.8 q square r is equal to. Now we can take the common into whole term minus 0.2 r. When we take the common into 0.2 r, because 0.2 is a divisible of each term, so is equal to minus 0.2 or into 64 q square plus 4q minus 3. Now the midterm breaking of 4 into two parts. Here we have 64 multiplied by minus 3 is equal to minus 192. Now we can midterm breaking of 4 into two parts. Addition answer is 4 and multiply answer is minus 192. So we have 16 minus 12 is equal to 4, and 16 multiplied by minus 12 is equal to minus 192. Then we can write that minus 0.2 or into 64 q square plus 16q minus 12q minus 3. Now taking the common in both terms, first two terms are both divisible by 16, so 16q is common, 16 fours are 64 and q plus 16q is common, so remaining term is 1. 16q into 4q plus 1. Similarly, minus 3 is divisible by both terms, so taking the minus 3 is common, so 3 fours are 12, q minus minus plus into 1. So minus 3 into 4q plus 1. 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 1 in common in both terms. Now minus 2 0.2 or into 4 plus 4q plus 1 into 16q minus 3 is the final answer of B part. Inshallah, meet in next video with next exercise. Best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.